everybody, welcome to another Origami Wednesday. We've made it through another week. Yay! And as promised last week, we are going to do a four-leaf clover today. Four-leaf clovers are kind of hard to find, but we can make our own, and again, we can mail them to people if we want, because there's nothing better than sharing our good luck. Okay, now this one is going to require two pieces of paper, so you're going to see me do the same folds twice. Okay, I have a flat piece and a solid piece. Just cause. All right, so first I'm going to fold side to side. Apparently, shamrocks and four-leaf clovers want to be folded side to side. Okay, but this time, if I can make my fingers work, the paper wants to stick to itself. I'm going to fold into the center. I'm going to fold it into quarters this way. And I'm going to fold it into quarters this way. And again, I always try to keep an eye on my edges and make sure they're lined up with each other, because as long as this is relatively straight, everything else is going to work better, okay? Now you can kind of see where we're heading here with this cool plaid paper. I'm going to fold corner and corner, okay? I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to do the same on this end. Corner, corner, and then I'm going to flip it inside, flip all these folds inside out, okay? So, so this crease in particular gets reversed. That guy gets folded inside. Okay, so that crease gets reversed, and that guy gets folded inside. And that's what we're going to do on all four of these corners. Okay. Now, I like this. I like the four-leaf clover because some magic happens. Okay, some magic is going to happen, and I think it's really cool. All right, so then we're going to flip. This guy gets folded down. Oh, look, you can see my paper's a little orange under there. That's fine. Okay, fold that. Then I'm going to roll. Yes, I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to fold this side to the middle, this side to the middle. Okay. Then I'm going to open it up. See how it makes kind of a boat? Looks like a canoe, right? Okay. So I'm going to flatten out my canoe, and I'm going to make it fold it so this point lines up with the center part of my boat. So it's going to get folded flat. Okay, and that lines up. So I open it up, make a little canoe. This guy gets folded so the point goes down into the middle. Point goes down into the middle. Okay. Then I'm going to close it so that little flappy gets closed inside. I'm going to fold this side up to that center crease. And I'm going to fold this side. Oops, I can't fold that way. I have to have it toward me up to that center crease. Okay? If I turn it over, you'll see I have two lobes of my four-leaf clover, which is super, super cool. So we're going to do it again. This time I have just a plain piece of green paper. So I'm going to fold. Now you'll see, since I'm using reversible paper, I'm putting the red on the inside, okay? And we only have to fold it one direction. Okay. So unlike the other ones, we're folding one way. Okay. Don't go too far. Okay. Lined up with the edge of the paper. See, sometimes it goes wonky anyway. All right. Fold this guy down to the center. So it already looks kind of like a boat, in my opinion. So when we're folding it like this, it looks like a boat or some sort of crazy airplane. I don't know. Maybe a submarine. Regardless, now we're going to tuck this corner in. Try to be aware where the bottom of your point is so that you don't overfold, okay? Because that's going to lead to some weirdness. And we have enough weirdness in the world. Well, some of it is beautiful, some of it is just annoying. And if you get your creases all unaligned, it's just going to be annoying. It's going to make your life hard. And we don't want to make life hard. We want to make life easy. That's what we try for. It doesn't always work. All right. Looks like a boat. So we're going to make it look more like a boat. So I'm going to fold this side to the center. Okay. And I'm going to fold this side to the center. Wait, I forgot. Unfold it again because I forgot the important part where you flip and you fold this guy down. See, I do this every time, or every other time because I remember the first time. Flip and fold this guy down. So now we've got fox ears, okay? And then we flip and we do the fold to the center and the fold to the center. Open this guy up and make a little canoe. See, I got excited about the canoe because that's my favorite part of this one. Until we get to the very end. It's my favorite part because the very end is really cool. Okay. So fold that guy. And if you want to fold it closed, you can. That's fine. I'm going to rotate it. And I'm going to fold this guy down. Which, if you can fold away from yourself and to yourself, go for it. You don't have to do all the rotations and everything. But for my brain and my hands, I need to. Fold that guy. Fold that guy. Okay, now when I turn it over, again, we have the two lobes. Now comes the cool part. These guys tuck right in here, fit together, and it's like magic. You have your four-leaf clover. It's so exciting. You did it yourself. We all did it. Hello to everybody. Happy, happy four-leaf clover. We will see you guys next week. Have a good one.